first graders. So today we're going to be talking about how to write a 5-star sentence. Now you were able to watch the video about writing a 5-star sentence. This includes a capital, finger space, an end mark. Now we were missing a couple things in that video. We also want to make sure our handwriting is legible. That means we can understand what was written. And then the other thing we want is correct spelling. So the more you read, the better you will get at knowing how to spell things. So first of all, we're going to do a couple of these together. So I'm going to write a sentence and then we're going to talk about it. This says, I will go with you to the store. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to notice is the capital I. Now sometimes that let me make it bigger. So when we're using a computer, I looks a lot like L, but it's not. And then you'll notice that I have finger space between each of these words. I will go with you to the store. And then we have an end mark. Now I don't call it a period because we have 3 types of end marks. We have a question, we have an exclamation mark, and we have a period. Now when my sentence ends with a period, it's just a statement. I'm telling you something. So let's look at a few sentences and see what's wrong with them, okay? Let me get rid of the yellow. Let's go back to white. Okay. My computer won't let me do it wrong. Oh. It is a nice day. Okay, let's look at this sentence. So I wrote, it is a nice day. So I do have my capital, and Google will not let me forget my capital. But do you see an end mark? Yes, it's a period, which means it's a statement. But what do you notice about my finger space? Does that look correct? No, I didn't think so either. I wrote, it is a nice day. If I don't have finger space, it becomes kind of like a compound word where there's no pause in between the words. So now let's break it up. It is a nice day. Did you see how different that looks? This is the correct way to write it. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, so let's look at this. The first thing I always tell students to do is to look at the capital. Look for the capital. Do we have a capital here? We don't, so I would want to fix that. Do we have our finger space? I can go with you. Yes, we do. Do I have my end mark? I don't. So we would want to put our end mark to make sure that we have a 5-star sentence. Now the computer makes the handwriting legible because the computer uses a perfect font. But if we were writing this sentence on paper, we would want to make sure that people can understand what we're writing. Okay, friends, thanks for joining me for this lesson. Next time, we'll do more. We'll learn more about sentences.